Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Epic Games using MFA and email verification, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Epic Games using multi-factor authentication, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Epic Games website by entering the URL in the address bar. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your username and password in the required fields. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button. If multi-factor authentication is enabled, you will receive a prompt for additional verification. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Epic Games. Open the email and locate the verification code. Copy the verification code from the email. Return to the Epic Games website and paste the verification code into the designated field. Click on Submit to finalize the authentication process. If you have more than one method of multi-factor authentication enabled, choose your preferred method. Once you receive the verification code via your selected method, input it into the appropriate form. Click Verify to complete the authentication. If successful, you will gain access to your Epic Games account dashboard. For additional security, consider enabling two-factor authentication if you haven't already done so. By following these steps, you can successfully authenticate with Epic Games using MFA and email verification. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.